Ice cream is a frozen dessert that is made from a mixture of milk, cream, sugar, and sometimes other ingredients like fruits, nuts, or chocolate. The science behind ice cream involves understanding the physical and chemical properties of these ingredients and how they interact during the freezing process. There are several key food science principles that are important for understanding how ice cream is made and how its quality can be controlled. Ice cream is an emulsion of fat, air, water, and solids. The fat comes from the cream, which is emulsified with the water, and solids through the use of emulsifiers and stabilizers, such as egg yolks and gums. The addition of sugar and other solutes in the ice cream mixture lowers the freezing point of the water, which is important for creating a smooth, creamy texture. The amount of air that is incorporated into the ice cream mixture during churning is known as overrun. The overrun affects the texture and density of the ice cream. Ice crystals can form in the ice cream mixture during freezing, which can affect the texture and quality of the ice cream. By controlling the rate of freezing and the size of the ice crystals, the texture of the ice cream can be optimized. The amount of fat in the ice cream affects its texture, flavor, and stability. Higher fat ice creams tend to have a richer, creamier texture and are less prone to melting. Sugar not only adds sweetness to ice cream, but it also contributes to the texture by lowering the freezing point of the water and reducing the size of ice crystals. The mixture of cream and other ingredients is typically heated to denature the proteins, which improves the texture and flavor of the ice cream. The heat treatment also helps to sterilize the mixture. In summary, the science behind ice cream involves understanding the physical and chemical properties of its ingredients and how they interact during the freezing process. By controlling the amount of air, the size of the ice crystals, and the texture of the mixture, ice cream makers can create a wide variety of delicious and creamy frozen treats. Overall, these food science principles are important for understanding how to create the optimal texture, flavor, and quality of ice cream. If you need any clarification, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.